blick, so I'm picking the tool up. My stepper gon' brush him if I press the button. Too drippy to scuffle. The blick in the duffel, it came with a muzzle.
And what is up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well on this pretty chilly Sunday morning. And today we are actually installing some car parts. It's been a while since I've purchased car parts, specifically cosmetic parts for my car. So I was on Facebook the other day and I was just scrolling through Facebook and I saw a stupid steal, like a crazy ass steal for a car part that I've always wanted for the RCF. Now, I never pulled the trigger to buy it original price because it's kind of pricey. It's like $800 on some sites, and other sites it's like $500, but it's still kind of pricey for what it is. The part is a bit small, but to me it's actually going to be one of my favorite mods on this car. I saw it on Facebook for a crazy steal price. Yo, I had to jump on that ASAP. Like, I was the first comment, like, bro, like I was the first comment because I needed it. This part is going to change the whole look of the car, like the whole look, in my opinion. And I'm excited. So let me stop talking. Let me actually show you guys the part that I got. I've never seen a more beautiful thing before. Just take a look at it. And all right, guys, so I have the part on the floor right now. Now, I do have to say, right, this is used. These parts are used. They are not brand new, so they are not going to look as clean as a brand new part. So, but anyways, right, this is it. What? Yo, shit looks fire in the sun. These are the carbon fiber fender ducts. If you don't know, this is going at the side where the F is on the car, right? It's going to replace that whole like fender panel with carbon fiber. I've always wanted this, but paying $800 or even $500 for this, insane. So I never got it, but I bought it because it was a steal, and I knew that ultimately I was going to eventually get it. So why not just get it right then and there when it was like fractions cheaper? So I did it, and it's used, but it still looks freaking clean. It's still gonna look clean when it's on the car. So enough of me talking. I do have a few things to do. I'm gonna just clean this up just a tiny bit more. And all right, guys, so I just cleaned this up. I took off the leftover glue. Now it's time to take off the F emblem on the fenders. Now, in order to do that, I bought some floss. Most people use fishing line, but floss also works also. It works perfectly fine. It's not as strong as fishing line, so it might snap, but if it snaps, obviously just pull another string of floss. But yeah, it should work as long as the glue that's holding the F is heated up with a heat gun, or if it's hot outside. But right now it's not hot, it's freaking cold. That's why I'm doing this with a heat gun. So let's get to work. If you are curious, this is the type of floss that I am using. I purchased this one only because you could pull the string. If you see, voila. As I said, this is not as strong as fishing line, but it does the job as long as this is heated. I'm gonna just start working. I'm gonna take off the F badge, and yeah, hopefully it's easy, hopefully. If you guys plan on doing this, whenever you are using a heat gun, make sure to not point it too close to your paint, and also make sure to swipe the heat gun back and forth. Like, do not just leave it on one spot, just swipe it back and forth. Because if you don't do those things, you could damage your paint and your car. And we all know that no one wants to damage their paint and their car. Unless you drive a shit box, then it's okay. Kind of ran into some issues. So I was under the impression that this was actually a metal badge. I didn't know that this was plastic. So FYI, this is kind of plastic, so if you point it too close, it will melt. Now, since this is kind of messed up, that kind of means I might have to get another one in the future. That's if it looks too off, but it's not bad. But I mean, from far away, you know, it's not that bad. Close up, yeah. But also, another thing that's interesting, right, is This badge is also held by a screw. Now, I don't know how to fucking take the screw out besides pulling this. And I don't want to snap it in half. But if I do, then fuck it, it happens. But yeah. So we have an update. I took it out. It looks kind of fucked up, but from far away, it's okay. But yeah, I might actually purchase another badge now because this ain't it. Yeah. Our next goal is to try to take off this. I was meaning to get Goo Gone, but I forgot to get that in the store. Silly me. So now I only have this and my finger. Feel me? It's that finger action. Ha. This is where I be transparent and cut and make shortcuts. So technically, right, since this is going to be behind the carbon fiber fender, I don't really think it's really that important to take it off, right? I think it's still going to sit flush. So what I'm gonna do to save time, I'm just clean this with some alcohol, make sure there's no dust. There's about to be a lot of hate in the comments saying, yo bro, you should have taken off the glue first. What, you're not a real RCF or Lexus. Yo guys, it's my car, all right? At the end of the day, it's my car. It's my choice also. You're not going to see it, all right? No one will ever know. I guarantee you, if I pull up to a car meet, no one will ever look at my carbon fiber fenders, right, and say, yo, bro, you left the glue on, dude. Come on, like, you won't be able to see it. So I'm gonna go take off the badge on the other side, then I'm gonna come back and handle this side. Guys, this is from the other side. Yo, I swear, the only way to learn is to fail at first, you feel me? This was my first time. I learned from the passenger side to not put the damn heat gun too close to the F badge. And this one came off flawlessly. It still has the, whatever this is called, screws also. The other ones do not. She looks clean. Only if the other one was as clean as this one. Damn it. So I have the first one all done and it is prepped. So I have put some 3M tape onto the next one. Take a look at the passenger side. That's the F. It has a bit of space, Now, I'm not really going to fix it right now. I'm gonna fix it after I change out the F. It doesn't really make sense to take it off, adjust it. Yeah, no, but this side is a fucking mess. But as I say, we learn from our mistakes. Take a look at the driver's side. I did the driver's side second. Bruh, fucking flawless. Yo, you guys see this? What? Mad flawless. So this is the driver's side, this is the passenger side. This is the side I tackled first. I learned from my mistakes. So before y'all say in the comments, yo, this shit looks like shit, I know it looks like shit. It's my first time. This is my second time. I now know how to do it, okay? So yeah, shit looks fire. I'm still excited. The next step is to clean this side of the fenders and the other side of the fenders, then install these and we're done. I'm gonna be honest, right? This install was pretty easy, or it's pretty easy, but it's so tedious because of the 3M tape and you have to like take off everything. So it's an easy install, but tedious. But hopefully by me installing it, you guys can learn from my mistake, which is do not bring the heat gun super or too close to this badge. It's not aluminum. It's not, yeah, it will melt as it did. And also don't put a lot of 3M tape on it. It doesn't really need a lot. This side I didn't put a lot. On this side I put skinny strips. On this other side I put some thick ass strips, so that's why it's like poking out, but it's fine. This one is more flush, and sheesh, I should work at a body shop, you feel me? Bruh. As we are about to install the driver's side fender, a little tip, right? When you guys are installing something with 3M tape and double-sided tape, make sure you peel it off a bit so that if you have to adjust anything, it's a bit easier to adjust. Guys, so at this point I'm like, what the fuck, right? So the passenger side is pretty perfect, right? It's pretty perfect besides the badge, right? Look, you guys see how this line, it just flows through, right? Now let's take a look at the freaking driver's side. Yo, I thought the driver's side was perfect, right? And I guess like I have like OCD or some shit, because like, look, let's follow this line. What the fuck? Yeah, we can have that. We cannot have that. So I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna just adjust it a tiny bit because it's really throwing me off. At first I thought that, you know, it's not that bad, but it's throwing me off. So we are gonna fix that. Finish with the install. Now it's not perfect because you guys see it. Yep, the F logo on this side is crooked. Is it irking me? Yeah, it is. But like, I'm gonna be honest, I'm tired. The other side is straight. I can show you guys the other side. Let's move on to the other side. The other side, ironically, it's so funny because ironically, the fucked up side is straight as fuck. But the driver's side, the flawless side, is not straight. So like at this point, I'm tired. I don't feel like taking off the F badge, and yeah, it's a lot. So we are just going to rock with it for now. But overall, it looks pretty good. I believe once I get a car wash, yo, this is going to just pop out a lot more. But honestly, yo, guys, this shit looks fire. It looks fire. It adds more aggression to the car, and yeah. Oh, fuck my life. All right. I mean, if you think about it, if you like look at it, and if you like squint, it's not that bad. Feel me? Only if you are squinting. But if you squint and if you turn your head at an angle, you really can't even tell. You feel me? I would say the fitment is like, honestly, I'm gonna be honest, the fitment is a 10 out of 10. Now, the 3M tape isn't really holding, because I think it's because it's cold outside, so it's not holding. So like it starts to like peel back at these corners, only at the corner over here and at the other side also, but everywhere else is pretty steady. And I'm just wondering why the fuck it keeps on peeling back. Like it keeps on like, essentially it's not sticking on this side, just at the corner, like at this edge. And I don't know, yeah, so, but overall it's okay. And all right guys, so we actually just finished getting a car wash, and I'm gonna be honest, right, after the car wash, I really did not think this was going to hold, because if you guys don't know, I did not use 3M tape. I just used like some basic ass two-sided tape that I found at Harbor Freight. But it is still strong though. But I know that 3M tape is waterproof or some shit along those lines. But this actually holds well. And now that I'm looking at it after the car wash, yo, this shit looks fucking great, yo. Now that F is still kind of annoying me. I'm gonna fix that like later on. But yo, I'm gonna just show you guys around. All right, so this is it. And I also intentionally parked in the sun so that y'all could see the shine of that fucking carbon fiber. Damn, you guys see that shit? So look, from this angle, it's pretty good, right? But when you look from above, yeah, what the fuck? Yeah, issues. But over here, it looks pretty solid, right? So like from far away, it looks fire, right? It still looks fire from the side. Actually, it looks fire from the side, sort of. I'll say the only spot where it looks kind of iffy is from up top. But like, who really is going to look at your car from up top? You feel me? Like, most people will just look at the side, look at the angle, you know, come from the other side and look at it. Now, the F badge on this side is another story. From far away, sheesh, is that an F? From up close, it's like, bro, who the fuck did your work for you? Feel me? But yeah, guys, this is it. There's really no need for me to do a cinematic shot, I think, right? Unless you guys want one. Feel me? Unless you guys want one, I'm gonna just do one. Fuck it. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Yo, these freaking carbon fiber Fenders, and I know I'm calling them Fenders, I know they are not Fenders, but it's the easiest thing to say. All right, it's the easiest name. All right, these carbon fiber Fender thingies look freaking aggressive, yo. I love them. I just want to make them more sturdy, which I'm gonna do this week by upgrading the tape, the 3M tape. If you guys enjoyed this video, please drop a like, and if you haven't done so yet, subscribe, especially if you find yourself on my channel quite a lot. Just hit that subscribe button. It doesn't hurt, but it does help me. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.